While understanding monetary policy, you must have often come across the term cash reserve ratio or CRR. In this video, we'll discuss what CRR is. Hello friends, welcome to iExamB. I welcome you all to another video of KYC, that is Know Your Concepts, where we try to let you understand basic economic and financial concepts in short videos. Let us take the definition first. Cash reserve ratio or CRR is the share of bank's total deposit deposited with the Reserve Bank of India as a reserve in the form of liquid cash. Before understanding this, we need to first understand how banks function or operate. When you deposit some amount of money with the bank, it ultimately lends that money to someone else. The person who borrows the money pays hefty interest, and on the other hand, bank pays you a nominal interest for depositing money in the bank. The difference between these two interest rates is the income of the bank. You must be wondering now, can the bank lend all the money it received as deposits? The answer is no. It has to maintain certain reserves with the central bank. Let us understand this with an example. When you deposit some amount of money with the bank has to park a certain part of it with the central bank. This small part is called cash reserve. This money cannot be used by the bank for lending. The rest money with the bank can be used for lending. Please remember that the cash reserve can either be stored in bank's vault or sent to the RBI. And banks do not earn any interest on the cash reserve. I hope you got to learn some new things from this video. Please show your support by liking this video. Please share it with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel and press the bell to be notified on our content. This is Amit signing off.